Go to Program, New Program. We're going to choose which field of view we want to be in. Down here you can have a preset field of view. We'll click OK. From here, it's going to give us our area. It's a live feed. From here, we're able to put in all of our different tools. To autofocus, we're going to go down here to our, I call it a Connect 4 board. It'll bring up this red box. With this red box, we want to make it as small as possible. Carry this over to the edge that you want to get an autofocus on. Come down here to our Z control button. And then click the pink autofocus button. This will autofocus your part. After that, we'll X this out and turn off our checkerboard, and we're ready to start programming.
Okay. So no more zooming at this point, no more.
Unless you have an excessive Z height change from feature to feature. But that autofocus that's the order of operations to autofocus on this machine.
Okay.
There's also a knob on the left side here for manual focusing too.
That I use a lot.
Gotcha. And then from there, every tool comes with all the directions as well as a video on how to do it. So we're going to go in, grab our first diameter, clicking and dragging. Notice how we don't have to be perfect.
Yeah.
And then we tell it where to drop it in. So now you can see here, we'll have to go in and mess with our edge extraction.
So that's what we was talking about. Like yours jump right on and ours don't.
Yeah. Oops. That is strange. Better.
Do you have a print for this? Not yet, huh?
No, I haven't put it up enough.
That is weird. But yeah, you can go in, click next or double clicking really fast. You can snap in a bunch at once if you wanted to. You can make that box bigger or smaller. You can see there's some dust. But then once you have your things in, you can go in and obviously do line to line, line to line, and so on. Once you're done, we'll register the pattern. If you have fixtures, I would keep the fixtures out of the register pattern. Click the register button. Save it. This is where you can name the file, and you can also choose where to save it when it pops up here. Taking its time. But then the screen will pop up, you click OK once you name it and where you want to save it, and then you're done. And then you can go to the main menu and run it.
Okay.
Yep. That's pretty much it.
So here we just save on a C drive.
Yeah.
Or into a floppy, or I'm sorry, not floppy. I keep saying that.
You say floppy.
Floppy disk. But no, it's freezing up on me here. Interesting.
It hasn't had to use that much information
Probably
in a while.
never.
There we go. Now you can save it as whatever you want and then click save.
Okay.
And then once you're done, just go back to run mode and then you can start running that part.
Okay.
So you just take that up, put another one on, approximately same location. Hit,
Yeah, I always like to have it touching the glass just to make sure that it's at that same Z height
Okay.
every time.
So you slide down the magnet till it touches on the glass.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
I always like to set up my fixtures like this
Okay. Yep.
and then put it on there instead of fiddling around with it
Yeah.
up there. So, but yeah, that's interesting. The I don't know if the lighting had anything to do with that.
It does it all the time.
A lot.
Yeah, every time.
Yeah, it
Looks
took
like
it away,
there's
didn't it?
some ambient light coming from there.
We could put a little curtain on here.
Yeah.
So you
Or
think
turn
it
the
was
light
the
off.
light? That's why.
Yeah.
We could put
Okay.
another light in, a light switch in right here and turn it off. Okay, I'm gonna hit
I mean, you
pause
could
on this.